Mario! In this video I'm going to continue on with the vehicle turning theme that we developed in the last video. So let's get it open here and see what we've got here. We'll get it up to full screen and perhaps go to the correct plan that we were dealing with. That was a previous plan in another series I'm doing. Nonetheless informative, I would imagine. So here we go. So what I'm going to do here, I've still got to change my driveway with a bit of a tidy up. So we'll get working on that. But let's go to the home and we'll insert the vehicle manoeuvring, which I've got as a block there. And I'll just insert that in the right there for now. I just need to go home and check that. I'll put that in the vehicle turning layer there, which is already set up. So let's do that and put that in the vehicle turning layer. Now that's a block that I have imported from another plan, so I'll make that available to students on the the Moodle site that we use, which is technically just a management site. So this block that we've got here selected needs to have a scale of 10 to bring it up to the correct thing like that. And now I'm going to probably rotate it. For a start, we'll rotate it to 270 degrees. That should get it sort of right. And then we need to probably, it's at 270 there. Probably we know that we've got down here 136.47. Let's try 136 degrees 47 minutes. It's going to be pretty close. Well, perhaps not. Let's try 46, which is just spinning it through another 90. And then we need to spin that through 180, so that would make it 226. 226. So that's about where we want it. We've got it in red. It's in the vehicle. Oh, we've got it in paper space here. So it's in the vehicle turning there, but in this viewport color here, I'd like to actually make it, oh there it is there, in terms, oh that's the layer color, I think. I'll just go to the layer properties, vehicle turning, and in the viewport, yes, I want to make it black. So let's select the color there, and the one we select is that white one there, which makes it black. So that should make it black in here. Yeah, it does. Well, that's good. Alright, so now let's move it. And it's going to go from there. Now it we want to just get it back a little bit and get it onto our driveway there. And I'm just going to pop it, I'll come back round about there. It's probably enough, although it needs to come down a little bit just to move, come clear of the other car that's in the garage. So we'll say it's coming straight, the car's coming straight out, and then it's going to start doing its turn thing there, and it's going to come into this bit of the house here, and then we're going to copy this. So this will be CP enter. I'll just make another copy and let's get rid of that, and that's got to possibly turn, we want that one there to turn through about 90 degrees, so I'll try the 46 on that one. Oh, no, I don't think that's going to do it. No, maybe the 136, 13, that needs to go 180, so that'll be 316. Okay, so this is the way that I do the turning, because I'm quite quick with the working out the adding and subtracting the 90 degrees, partially due to the sort of excellent training I got in the land. So that's going to come up in there fine, like that. So it's enabling us to just to turn from there, and sort of, yeah, we probably want to position it about there. So oops, so I want to get that perhaps up in there a bit more, move that. Oh, what happened there? Okay, so we've got all some snaps and things on, so turning them off, and the stupid grid off that keeps coming on there. Okay, so let's go move again. Oops, haven't got anything selected there, so let's do a bit of a move here and try and get this a little bit so it'll just track out of that there, and then pop down there like so, and out down our driveway, which, you know, should be good to go. Could perhaps just rotate this a little bit more. I could do a little rotation here, using that as the roughly the midpoint, and that just enables us to just give it a little bit more rotation, perhaps in there like that, and then we can move things around a bit. How's that looking? It's a little bit. Well, actually, we could just possibly move this whole thing, rotate 90 degrees. Specify the base point. Maybe just turn it like that, and then have the driveway. That might be a bit better option, and move. So there's many ways we can use this little thing here. So that's pretty good there. That's gonna head us down that driveway quite a lot better, like that. Okay, so that's going to there. I'm just going to have a look at my previous effort here. Yeah, I think that's all good. So we've got one coming out of the garage there, and then we'll have one coming down the garage there. Okay, so now they're all in that layer there. I'm just going to draw a line here so we know where the house is. That'll be there, from about there to, I might just turn on the snaps to draw that. So there's that line there, line enter. So I'm using the previous one that I did as a bit of a guide, but I've sort of changed up a few things there. Alright, so if we do that, and then if we go up here, just say maybe select this here. Oops, we just need a bit of a move here to get that on track a bit better. Sort of there like that, sort of around there, and then this one here possibly could move, oops, a little bit down here more. Something like that there, so that that's sort of tracking out of there. And I'll just turn the snaps off and have a bit of a look in here. I think I'll put it about there, and that's all. Perhaps just want to move it a little bit out there, driveway. Just move it out this way a little bit. Yeah, I think that's all good. Like so. So we can get our track coming down there like that. So now I'm going to use my isolate command here to just to flick into here, and okay, so this is our house in here. I don't think we can trim the blocks, so if I go trim, enter, select this line. Oh no, I don't want to go trim, enter, trim, enter, and then I select that, and then try and hit these. No, we don't get anything. So what we've got to do now is pretty much explode the blocks. Okay, oops. And what has that done? Is that put them into layer 0 or something? That was a bit annoying. Oh, it has. Yes. Okay. So that's put them into layer 0. So we'll just now do a trim, and using this here as the house, and we can trim all that out. So that's that all come out like so. Okay, that's all there like that. So that's just our first thing. This stuff here can all just I think that can be deleted. Oh no. Okay, so trim this here, that'll take a lot of that out. Yeah. Okay, and we can perhaps just go TR enter. So this is pulling this in here, that can come out of there, that there can come out of there. Well, that should come out of there anyway. No, it's not, a bit reluctant. Escape, TR, enter. Oh, has it gone back to paper space? TR, enter. Yes, that's come out of there. That's come out of there. Delete. Okay, so that's all going on in there. I'll just have a look at what I did last time as a guideline. So yeah, that's come around into there. That Yeah, so I think that can come out of there. Oh, no, that's got to be trimmed at TR into enter. It's got to be trimmed out of there, like so. And then we've got a whole lot of stuff in here. So I think that can come out there. Oops. TR into enter. I think that can come out of there. That can probably come out of there. That can probably come out of there. Okay. And I'll just take that out of there. So that's coming around there like that. Okay. That there can be deleted. We don't need those. That there can be deleted. We don't need those. I don't know what layer that there's in. Oops, is that in paper space, is it? It should probably be in model space. Okay, never mind. I'll attend to that later. That line can come out of there. Like, oops. Oh, we need to go into model space. So that's our house line. That can come out of there. And then just go for a check in here. So that's the outside ones that are tracking. So they're thin, and these ones here are thick. So those ones there are 0.25, and those ones there are 0. Okay, so let's come back to here. Let's put all of this here into the vehicle turning layer. Vehicle turning, yes. Okay, now this line here, that and that, and that, and that, and that, that, and that, they should be all 0.25, which they are. So I probably haven't got my line widths turned on, so we'll turn them on there now. Turn them on. Okay. And what's happening in there now is that, oh yes, there they are there. Our line type scale needs to be like that there, and that there, and that there, and that there. Line type scale. I've got that at 0.2. I wonder if I put that at 1. It looks quite good. Okay, so now I'm going to just at this stage, I think, what do we got? So they're the thick ones and they're the thin ones. Oh, the thin ones could be at that same scale as well, I'm feeling. Okay, so let's put them at scale 1, line type scale 1, enter, which seems to be a little bit better. And then at this point here, I'm going to unisolate. It puts everything in, so it's not, oh yeah, it's sort of there. So we've got a bit of some tracking coming in there, showing that car coming out of there, that one going in there. And we're up to 20 minutes. I thought this one would be a bit of a mission to get those in. It does take a little bit of toing and froing, but we can get those in there so you can get the idea of what's going on. And you can see that there probably needs to just come over a little bit, so it's still valid, I think. Yeah, still Probably needs to just to click into there a bit, but we want to. Yep, it's all good. Okay. Yep, it's showing fine. Okay, so let's just stop the video there. It's going on a little bit. We obviously need to come back and do some more, but generally you can see the idea with the tracking curves, and we demonstrate that one of the cars can maneuver off the site like so. So cheers, see you.